With everybody seemingly finally discovering ClickUp and my inbox just bursting out of its seams with your questions of why back in the day I moved from Asana to ClickUp, I figured let's revisit my reasons why I moved from Asana to ClickUp. Hey everybody, it's Yvonne with AskEvie.com, and right here on my YouTube channel, you're going to find how-to videos and lesson learned all about productivity and efficiency to shorten your learning curve, get you the right tool right away, and make you more productive than you've been yesterday. So let's dive right in. As you might know if you have been following the channel, and if you're not, click subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when new videos come. But if you have been around, you know I am a fan of ClickUp. Well, there was a day where I did use Asana. And with more and more people messaging me and wanting to know what are the differences between ClickUp and Asana, why did I move back in the day, I figured let's revisit all of those and let's look at my notes, why I made the decisions to leave Asana and move into ClickUp. Let's start on the money piece. Asana just allows you to go into paid with 5 seats on your account. Now, when you're starting out, you might just be a team of 1 or 2, and it doesn't matter. If you want any of those paid features, you have to still buy 5 seats, no matter if you use them or not. I know where Asana is coming from with that. They do want established businesses. They don't want to spend most of their time on customer support explaining how the tool works. But the problem is, for me or my clients, many of us start fairly small. We need to look at the budget. And even if I have money, I'm still going to look at the budget. And I don't like wasting money, no matter if it's mine or my clients. So having to buy 4 seats on my paid account, even though I might just be using 2 or 3, is a big downside for me. But if there's enough features and it does make financial sense, I might still sign up for it. So let's look at the different features between ClickUp and Asana. One of my main features I always look for is usability. We often work with different people with different mindsets. They approach tasks and problems a different way. So I need a tool that can speak to all of those personalities. And it doesn't matter if you have a team, if you work with freelancers, if you are planning on working with a team, you want to make sure you have the possibility for everybody to use your tool, because if they don't use it, you don't need a project management system. So one of the big downsides with Asana for me was having to make the decision of, do I want to do the list view or do I want to do the Kanban style? You know, the postage note kind of looks. And what if I change my opinion? I'm a woman. I like to change my opinion. Little joke on the side. I don't want to be boxed in when I have made the decision of, yes, I want the list view for that, and then not being able to move it over into a Kanban style. So that was one of the biggest reasons for me that spoke for ClickUp, because I can just choose the view. I can switch in between the Kanban style, the list view style, or any other views ClickUp has. In Asana, I have to make the decision and I'm stuck with it. The next thing comes back again around to budget. Asana as well as ClickUp have a free plan. The problem with Asana is many of what I consider standard features are in the paid package. With ClickUp, it doesn't matter. You have the main features, everything you need right there in the free account too. The only thing is you are limited on reporting features in ClickUp and how much you can save to your ClickUp. So you can add screenshots, you can add files right in ClickUp to your task, which takes up room in your ClickUp account. So the free one is limited in that, as well as the specific reporting, how you have reached your goals, the team reached goals, and that kind of thing. Those are not available in ClickUp free. But Asana Free doesn't even have start dates. They do not have task dependencies, meaning, okay, step 1, 2, and 3 are done. Once those are done, the next steps are done. That dependency is not possible in a free Asana account. And when I look at my little notebook here, custom fields is a paid feature in Asana, which is free in ClickUp. As I mentioned, start dates in Asana is paid, free in ClickUp. Private teams, free in ClickUp again, and the dependencies that I mentioned. What you are missing out on ClickUp Free would be your Gantt charts, the cloud storage, as I mentioned, goal folders. You still have goals, but you don't have the goal folders with it. And the reporting feature is missing in the free account. Another feature that really spoke to me in ClickUp is my time tracking. Yes, you can implement a third-party application. You can use Toggle and connect those. No big deal whatsoever. But I do like to have an internal time tracking software because my team might not like Toggle or they don't want to deal with it. They just want to have it right there. You click it, done. And if you have followed me, you know I'm really always down to figure out if you are estimating your time right. Oh yeah, that's just going to take me 5 minutes and suddenly 2 hours are over and you are still not done. With ClickUp, they have time estimates in there and then your time tracking, which means you don't have to run around with a piece of paper. I estimated this and now it took me that. You have it straight up right in ClickUp and you can start really paying attention. If you are estimating your time right, which means you are going to bill your clients right, you're going to write the proposal right, and you actually make the money you're supposed to make. And last but not least, I love ClickUp's Chrome extension. It plugs right into my Gmail account. I can make any email a straight up task in my ClickUp. No big deal. I don't even have to open it up. It happens straight in Gmail. I can take notes there. I can take screenshots there. It's just amazing to streamline my workflow and integrate with the tools that I'm already using, which comes back to my belief that a tool needs to be simple. When trying to implement a new tool, and especially with project management systems, everybody is always fighting it. It's a big learning curve starting with a project management tool. So it has to be able to easily integrate with all the things that you already have and with all the things that you already do every single day. And with the ClickUp Chrome extension, they have made it so easy, especially after the latest update that just rolled out in celebration of ClickUp 2.0 coming soon. And I will show you more about the Chrome extension in an upcoming video. For right now, I think these points are enough to get you thinking, enough to be able to make a decision. Do you want to stay with Asana or use Asana if you haven't made a decision yet? Or do you want to give ClickUp a try? As always, I am here. I am here to help you. If you're trying to figure something out, if you are still not sure if you should use ClickUp, comment below. I am tracking all the comments. I am here. And as always, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notified every time a new video comes up.